Okay, so round 5. Again, learning to read these instructions. Round 5. We have chain 1, then we have the asterisk, which means, here we go, it's going to be a pattern or a set of instructions that are going to keep repeating until you reach the total number of stitches, which is 30. Now here we're going to do 2 single crochets in, the next stitch where you have your marker, and then you're going to do a single crochet in each of the next 3, and then repeat all around. And at the very end we're going to join it with a slit stitch. Join it with a slit stitch in the first single crochet, and we should have a count of 30, and then do not turn. So let's go back to our piece. Remember, we had this little marker right here, so I'm going to go ahead, take that off, back in here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do it like this. We're going to have A1, A2. So let's do that again. I'm sorry, guys. So we're going to do 1A1, 2A2, 3B, 4C, 5D. So it's going to be 2, 1, 1, 1. So that's A1, A2, B, C, D. And that's how we're going to do that pattern. So it's 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. And that's going to give us a total number of 30. So let's go ahead right up here. And I'm going to go, and we got to do a chain. And then right in here, I'm going to do 2 of them right in here. And so I'm going to take this out now that I know where it's at. Take it out. And we're going to go 1A1. And I'm going to mark that. 1A1. One A2, 3B, 4C, 5D, 6A1, 7A2, 8B, 9C, 10D, 11A1, 12A2, 13B, 14C, 15D, 16A1, 17A2, that means they're going to the same one, 17A2, 18B, 19C, 20D, 21A1, 22A, well, let me see, hold on a second, 22A2, 23B, 24C, 25D. Oh boy, this got caught back here. 25D. Here we go. Almost done. 26A1. 27A2. 28B. 29C. 30D. And then we're going to go ahead and join right there with the slip knot. The slip stitch. Sorry guys. Slip stitch. We're going to go right in there. And now that I have that in there, I can take my marker out here, and I'm going to join that. Remember the slip stitch, you have to just pull all the way through. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and put this in here just to close it up, so we can go ahead and count. So let's just make sure here. We should have 30. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Because this one doesn't count. This is our slip stitch, 30. All right. So our next round is going to be round 6.